Harmonic System Incorporated. 25 years in service. Number 31 Fifth Avenue, Barangay, Socorro, Cubao, Quezon City. Who we are. Harmonic System Incorporated was founded and incorporated in the year 2000. Primarily engaged in the construction of power generation, transmission, and distribution. We undertaken several projects involving importation of HV equipment, electrical design, erection, implementation, testing, and commissioning. We specialize in electrical works such as transmission and distribution lines, power substations, SCADA, electrical fit-out, electrical works of high-rise and mid-rise buildings and powerhouses. We also offer operatorship and maintenance package of any electrical facilities. Our vision. Harmonic System Incorporated continues to move forward and become one of the most trusted engineering and construction firm in the Philippines, while delivering projects that consistently meet clients' specifications and standards. After 2 decades of service to our clients as well as our environment, Harmonic System Incorporated aims to go more further than the usual. In a span of another decade or less, this company will soon emerge as a role model in the construction industry due to its sincere service to its client. Our mission: to undertake the engineering and construction business with a focus on becoming the leader in construction and service costing while building excellence in every aspect to meet customers' stringent requirements regarding quality, on-time delivery, safety, and environmental concerns. To develop an effective management that stresses productivity, perpetual development of the organization, and instilling work ethics in all personnel. To build value for the organization in order to become a unique and distinct firm. To remain focused on controlled organizational growth and recognizing those who contribute to this growth. Our listed officers. Mr. Joselito C. Hippolito is our President/CEO. He graduated from Lyceum of the Philippines with a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Mr. Armin M. Punzalan is our Vice President, Finance. He graduated from University of the East with a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Mr. Onofre C. Grino is our Vice President, Operations. He graduated from Adamson University with Bachelors of Science in Electrical Engineer. Our listed officers. What we do: maintenance and operations, management and supervision, repair, upgrading and rehabilitation, concepts and design, pre-energization testing, project feasibility studies and estimate, installation and fabrication. What we supply: high/medium voltage transmission and distribution equipment, automation and instrumentation systems, relaying, metering, and SCADA system, power transformers, distribution transformers, uninterruptible power supply, UPS, redundancy power system, construction materials, electrical materials, office vicinity. This is our office vicinity. Warehouse vicinity. This is our warehouse facility in Porac, Pampanga. And this one is from Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. Our listed certificates: regular contractor license, certificate of accreditation from FAB, certificate of accreditation from Meralco, vendor integrity access from Clark Electric Distribution Corporation, CEDC, vendor integrity access from ACEN Corporation, former AC Energy Corporation, vendor integrity access from Ayala Landing, vendor integrity access from Meralco Energy Incorporated, MSERV, vendor integrity access from Megaworld Corporation, certificate of accreditation from Manila Water, certificate of accreditation from Maynilad, certificate of accreditation from Nickel Asia Corporation.
Our listed awards: Best Performing EPC Contractor Award.
Our ongoing projects. Our first client ongoing projects from Manila Electric Company, Meralco. Development of Maple Grove 115 kV, 34.5 kV GIS substation. This project located at Maple Grove, General Trias, Cavite. Scope of works: civil and electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project.
This project has 18.67% progress construction.
Next project: development of Norzagare 115 kV, 34.5 kV substation. This project located at Barangay Tigbi, Norzagare, Bulacan. Scope of works: civil and electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project.
Installation of stirrups for basement columns. Rebar works for basement RETWALL and columns. Formworks installation for basement RETWALL and columns. This project has 18.21% progress construction.
Next project. Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of Tayaba's Delivery Point, Kalimpang with 9 kilometers 115 kV line. Project located at Sariaya, Tayabas Road Tayabas, Quezon. Scope of works, electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project.
Ongoing excavation. Pole 87, pole 88, pole 94, pole 95. Rebar, anchor bolt installation. Pole 87, pole 88, pole 94, pole 95. Done concrete pouring. Pole 87, pole 88, pole 94, pole 95. Pole erection and dressing of pole 32, 35, 36, 64, 65.
This project has 30% progress construction.
Next project. Development of new NAIA 115 kV to 34.5 kV GIS substation job 3 feeder 1. Project located at new NAIA, Taranac City. Scope of works, civil works.
This project currently acquiring of work permits. We will update if the project starts.
Next project. Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of underground civil works using horizontal directional drilling, HDD. Project located at various locations. Scope of works, civil and electrical works.
This is the progress photos of this project.
Scanning the depth of the tapped cable. Splicing the entry point of the UG cable. Next project. Civil works for the development of new NAIA 115 kV 34.5 kV GIS substation. Project located at NAIA, Pasay City. Scope of works, civil works.
This project currently acquiring of work permits. We will update if the project starts.
Next project. Reliability improvement of Tegan 115 kV to 34.5 kV GIS substation. Project located at Paco, Manila. Scope of works, civil works.
This is the progress photos of this project. Currently this project has 5% progress construction. Next project. Meralco Distribution Line Construction and Maintenance Project at Rizal Sector. Project located at various location of Rizal Province. Scope of works, electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project. Retirement of existing secondary wires. Pole replacement. Connecting to transformer. Next client. From SM Development Corporation, SMDC. Electrical works for Sands Residences. Project located at Roxas Boulevard, Ermita, Manila. Scope of works, electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project. LVSG room, transformer vault room, meter center.
22nd floor termination of wire meter center EE room. 22 to 24th floor GI wiring auxiliary feeder. 45th floor zone 1 and 2 GI wiring unit. 53 ND floor installation of cable tray power and auxiliary feeder. 40th and 42nd floor installation of wire gutter auxiliary room. This project has 63.02% progress construction.
Next project. Electrical works for Style Residences. Project located at Mandrillo, Iloilo City, Iloilo. Scope of works, electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project.
Box setting, chipping, piping, and restoration of Building B. Cable pulling for unit feeder for Building B 15th and 16th floor. Box settings, chipping, piping and wirings and restoration of Building B. Chipping, piping, wirings and restoration of Building E. This project has 95.08% progress construction.
Electrical works for Glade Residences Batch 1, 2, and 3. Project located at Jairo, Iloilo City, Iloilo. Scope of works, electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project. For Batch 1 progress photos.
Wire gutter fabrication, installation at Building J. Wiring devices installation at Building J 4th floor. Wiring devices installation at Building I 2nd floor.
For Batch 2 and 3 progress photos.
Box set NGs at Building B 3rd floor. PB and box set NGs at Building G 2nd floor. PVC pipe extension and box settings of building E third floor. This project has 80.52% progress construction for batch 1 and for batch 2 and 3. We have 32.18% progress construction.
Next client. From Manila Water Company Incorporated. Framework, on-site electrical of Manila Water Company Incorporated. Project located at various locations. Scope of works, electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project. VFD strip and report at Fort Boney PS. Site inspection at Ilujan STP. Cable pulling and wiring at Daguhoy LS. Next project. Framework, on-site mechanical of Manila Water Inc. Project located at various locations. Scope of works, mechanical works. This is the progress photos of this project. Rewinding and refurbishment of 132 kW submersible pump, for installation at LKK STP. Hauling of dry pit pump number 2 at Marikina Nangka PS. Refurbishment of SBR blower C at Ilujan STP. Rewinding and refurbishment of 132 kW submersible pump 2, for installation at LKK STP. Next client. From S and our membership shopping. ATS diagnose of S and our membership shopping. Project located at various locations. Scope of works, electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project. Simulating the ATS and generator at a Siena SNR. Preventive maintenance of S and our membership shopping. Project located at various locations. Scope of works, electrical works. This is the progress photos of this project. Preventive maintenance at Sandar Sukit. Preventive maintenance at S and our EVO Kawit. Thermal scanning at SNR Lipa. Our completed projects. This is our listed completed projects from Meralco. First project from Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of 115 kV Paliparan Substation of Meralco. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next project. Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of Regalado 115 kV line GI's switching station. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next project. Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, civil works for the replacement of 34.5 kV MCS number 1 to modular gas insulated switchgear at LIIP substation. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next project. Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of Arcovia 115 kV, 34.5 kV GI's substation and subtransmission lines. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next project. Modified Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of Vermosa South 115 kV, 34.skV substation including 115 kV subtransmission lines. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next project. Civil works for the replacement of 34.5 kV metal-clad switchgear No. 1 at STA Rosa 2 substation. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next client from Shin Clark Power Corporation. First project from Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of NCC Clark 69 kV subtransmission line. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next project. Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of 13.8 kV distribution line of Han Hotel and Sky Blue. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next client from SM Development Corporation, SMDC. Electrical works for Fame Residences Phase 1 and Phase 2, Podium, Tower 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next client from Petrogreen Energy Corporation. 33.831 MWP Limban Solar Power Plant, Phase 2. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next client from Pavi Green Renewable Energy Incorporated. Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of the Substation 2025 MVA and Switching Station, NGCP side, and 69 kV transmission line for the 20 MW Orion Solar Power Plant. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next client from CBK Power Company Limited. Installation of 230 kV cables and accessories of CBK Power Company. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Next client from Clark Electric Distribution Corporation. Engineering, Procurement and Construction, EPC, of 2x50 MVA 69 kV Sun Valley Substation. Here are the pictures of the project's achievements. Here are the other completed projects from Clark Electric Distribution Corporation. Reconfiguration of Kalaw Substation, Kalaw, Sun Valley, 69 kV switching station. Supply and delivery of 30/40/50 MVA 69/13.8 kV power transformer and spare parts, PTCG brand. CEDC 69 kV underground project along Gilquiet Avenue. Construction of 69 kV/13.8 kV underground near SM City Clark. Construction of 13.8 kV line going to Gardenia. Construction of 13.8 kV underground power cable along MA Roxas Highway. 69 kV lines from Roxas Substation TOIE 5 Substation Phase 1. Relocation of 12.5 MVA transformer at Diamante Substation. Design and construction of 2x50 MVA 69 kV/13.8 kV Roxas Substation. IE 5 Substation. 50 MVA 69 kV/13.8 kV substation at Kalaw. Next client, from Meralco Energy Corporation, M-Serve. 18 MVA substation and switching station Maryville Solar Farm Project. 25 MVA substation and switching station Sealy Solar Farm Project. 69 kV transmission lines for Sealy Solar Farm Project. Next client from Citicore Renewable Energy. IP radio antenna tower for Arayat 3A. IP radio antenna tower for Luntel. IP radio antenna tower for Baalbek. IP radio antenna tower for Lumbangan. Next client from Subic Enerzone Corporation. Switchboard building expansion 2 by 10 MVA substation. Installation of 2025 MVA 69 kV/13.8 kV QB point substation and installation of 2x10 MVA 69 kV receiving structure of Remy Field substation. Next client from National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, NGCP. Emergency works of 115 kV Imelda substation including the 1x15 bar capacitor bank NO. 2. Construction of metering facilities of NGCP at Limay BCCP 230 kV substation. Next client from Philippine National Oil Company, Energy Development Corporation. 13.8 kV, 45 km transmission line, rural electrification, 14 barangays. Zumaraga Island Electrification Project power generation and transmission, island grid, 15 km. Next client from YH Green Energy Incorporated. 14.5 MVA substation Hermosa Solar Power Plant Project. Next client from Formosa Power Supply Corporation, FPSC. Engineering Procurement and Construction, EPC, of 2x 2025 MVA, 69 kV/13.8 kV substation and 69 kV transmission line. Next client from Paris Manila Technology Corporation. 132.5 MW Helios Pollo Solar Power Project. If you have questions regarding to our company, email us at admin@harmonicsystem.com.ph, harmonicsysteminc@gmail.com, harmonicsysteminc2000@gmail.com. Call us at 02-8421 to 0899 or 02-84412350. Great things are built on a solid foundation just like a well-wired system. From Harmonic System Incorporated. Thank you and have a nice day everyone. #ProudHSI